What's up, guys? So right here we have, as you guys see, a Mazda, and if you guys see, the box is sealed. This came off, but everything else is sealed. So seeing an unboxing for a Mazda. You guys see here, it's from, I'm not gonna show the other address where it came, but yeah. So I'm gonna block the ship to address. I don't want the address to be shown, but this is the official slip from Mazda, the invoice. So you guys see right here is a part number. I think it's the same one as what I showed in the beginning, and it's a hardtop with black interior. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so if you guys saw the other side of the box, it was one side was just open, but this is the other side. I'm gonna open it on this side. It's all unopened. Okay, so let me do the other side, other three sides. Okay, so I got the flaps open. So now I got this color sliding out, and there she is. Alright, hold on, let me turn on the flashlight. Okay, so it's upside down, unfortunately. But there she is. So this is the one with the defroster. You guys see it's all packaged really nice from Mazda. So yeah, so this is it. And it's all tied down right here. I got here. Also, this is, so you guys see, this is a legit slip from UPS, Mazda North America. Nice. All right, so let me take it out, and I'll get back to you guys. Brand new seals, of course, obviously, right? Yeah, this is pretty cool. Okay, let me take it. So, this is the other view. Alright, so okay, perfect. We got light. Okay, so here she is. And then again, like I said, this is Mazda North America. Wait, I think these are the same. Yeah, these are the same papers from earlier. So yeah. It's nice and shiny. So I thought it was like scratch, but it's not. It's just dirty. Nice. So there she is, baby. Box. JDM, baby, with the JDM letters. You guys see it's all sealed. And I'm gonna open it right now. See what it is. And it also came with that black trim. I don't know. I'm new to Mazda, so to be honest. Okay guys, so here's the hardtop. So like I said, this is the one with the froster. So it has all the frosted window. Nice black interior. The top liner, I think, I don't know what's it called, liner. So here's the clip. It's dusty for sure, so gotta clean it up. So it's the clip. It's got more down there. Then obviously I guess 4 corners, and then here have this. I'm assuming it's a latch. So it's got this nice shiny, I don't know. Got some letters here. It says I don't know, SMC, Mazda Corporation something. I don't know. We got this nice rubber here where it sits with some numbers. So it came secured with this little box, and then obviously a whole bunch of nice cardboard. Brand new rubber, so where it seals with the window. That's the window stamping. It came with these covers, so I'm guessing that's for the seat belt. Came with 2 of them, left and right, I guess. And then there's the other one in the back, the back. And here is the software. So came with, this is the manuals, installation instructions. So genuine detachable hardtop, and as you guys see, it's all JDM, Japanese baby. That's one. This is another application, Miata MX-5 Miata. Okay, another little book, and here's the hardware. So yeah, nice. I don't know what that is, but it's this, some bolts, and another one of these. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so here's a shot of the interior, the black interior. It's really dusty. It was in the box sitting for a long time, but yeah. See, you can zoom in. Look, the nice quality of the it's not scratchy, it's just dusty. Alright, so yeah, this is just the unboxing for this. I know that it's nice to see this since all these cars are old and stuff. So, brand new hardtop. So, I'm gonna try to post a shot of my car in the beginning of the video. So, to be honest, I'm thinking of not installing this on the car. Why? Because my car does not have an engine or a transmission. So it was previously case swapped, but now I don't really want to do something crazy. Like the car is mint, from Florida, clean chassis. So I think I want to keep it like simple. So I'm just gonna throw the original engine and trans back. I don't know, depends how I'm with money, but you know, could consider doing something else. Maybe you guys help me out on suggestions. So with that being said, maybe if anyone's interested, I live in Chicago, so I will not ship. So this is like all legit. I will not ship, so only local. If you want to come drive from out of state, go ahead. Just I don't know if you're able to message me on YouTube, but if you can't, let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in buying this, I'll try not to price it too high, because you guys know how much these are worth. So, and I also know, so you know, don't lowball me. And also I won't post, I won't give you a high of a price. So reasonable offer. But if I can get a decent offer, then I'm keeping it and just putting it on the Miata. It will come with everything here. I could also take maybe your old beat up one, because to be honest, I want the Miata to like drift it around. So in the end, I'm actually do a roll cage. So yeah, that's that. Okay, here's a shot of the whole thing. Alright guys, thank you for watching.